Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 simple tips to help you edit video faster in Filmora 11. Filmora 11 is a very simple to use and powerful video editing software for creating content for YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok or stuff like that. If you want to learn more about this software, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I create many Filmora tutorials here on this channel. Okay, and this video is extremely helpful for those of you who don't know anything about Filmora 11 or someone who want to start making video. If you want to try Filmora 11, I will put the link in the description for you to download and install the software. And being mentioned that you have a free version of the software for you to try all the features. And also it will let you export the project to MP4, but it will have a watermark on your video. If you want to remove that watermark, you need to purchase a license from Wondershare to remove the logo or the watermark on your video. Okay, and let's start with the first tip. Okay, so let's talk about the first tip to help you edit video faster with Filmora 11, which is learning the basic feature of the program. So before trying to create a new project with Filmora 11, my suggestion is to learn all the basic features of the program. First, you want to know how to split your video, how to delete a media on your timeline, and how to combine them, and how to crop a video, and how to add a title to your video, how to add transition effect and video effect, and how to use the elements and split screen, as well as how to add a background music, how to adjust your audio level, and most importantly, how to export your video to get the best video quality that you want to upload to YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or stuff like that. I don't know about you, but for me, whenever I want to learn a new software, I try to figure out the basic thing first before moving to the next step to create some advanced things in the software. If you don't learn basic feature before you start editing your video, then it is a time consuming when you start editing your video and then you want to know how to crop a video, how to trim a video. You want to go to YouTube or Google to search for the tutorial and watch the tutorial while editing. And believe me, it will obviously slow down your editing process. So just learn the basic stuff before you start editing. And that is my first tip for editing video faster in Filmora 11. Okay, so tip number 2 is about being organized. So it is not only about being organized in the software, but also about being organized on your computer. After finish filming, you need to copy all the files from your camera to your computer. And remember to create a folder on your computer. And you don't want to change anything in that folder. Also do not rename the folder or delete the folder while editing, because it is very important to keep the source file. Otherwise, if you close the project and you reopen the project, it will show some errors, missing files, stuff like that. Okay, so just being organized on your computer. Okay, so the next thing is about being organized on the timeline. So whenever you edit your video, you may want to have one main video track for your project. For example, if you want to have this one and you want to have this, this is the main video track. And the next thing, you want to add more track, and the second track should be the B-roll, for example. And you can click this button to add more video track here. And if you want to use anything as a B-roll, you can just drag and drop it here at the track number 2. Okay. And the next track is about your title, stuff like that, or subtitle. You want to go to title, and then you want to add a title for your video. At this track, this is a track number 3. Okay, so for example, I can use a title here, another title here. So everything about text is in the track number 3 on your timeline. And the next track is about the special effect that you want to add to your project, maybe video effect or any overlay or stuff like that. You want to put it at track number 4 right here. Just create a new track for your effect. And finally, you should have a track here for color grading or LUT or stuff like that. So just go to your LUT and select a LUT for your video, and maybe you want to put it right here at its track. So track number 5, and this is a simple project. By the way, if your project is longer and you want to have more special effect and more overlays, you can create more track here. But being organized on the timeline is very important. And for the audio, you can also do the same. You can add more audio track to your timeline, and for example, you can use a background music here at the audio track number 2, and for this track you can use as a voiceover track. And down here you can design more sound effect, add some more sound effect to the track below here. So remember to be organized on the timeline. It will help you edit video faster in Filmora 11 and maybe for other video editing software also. Okay, so that is tip number 2. And tip number 3 to help you edit video faster in Filmora 11 is about the reused media. So whenever you want to reuse your intro, outro, end screen, or sound effect, or a background music, or stuff like that, you have an option in Filmora 11. And even in Filmora 10, you also have this option. That is the reuse media. So you want to go to your media here, and then at the share media here, you want to create folder for your sound effect, for your background music, and also for your intro, outro, and logo, anything that you want to reuse from this project to other project in the future. You want to import them here. For example, here in the share media folder, you can just click this button to create a new folder. Let's say I want to create a logo folder for my video. So in the logo folder, I can import some logo that I want to use for this project and next project in the future. For example, this one, Filmora 9, and also Filmora Pro. I can just open it, and now it is in my logo folder, which is in the share media folder. And next time, if I want to use this logo, I just want to go to the media folder and then go to share media and find the logo folder here. And you can do the same with the intro, sound effect, and background music, or anything that you want to reuse in your project. It will be in the share media. It will be a lot faster to find them in the share media instead of find them in your computer and then re-import it your project, and you have to repeat the action all the time. So it is a time-consuming process. You can save time by import them into the share media, okay, and reuse them in your next project easily with just some click. Okay, so that is tip number 3 for editing video faster in Filmora 11. And let's go to tip number 4, is about the favorite folder. So you know that in Filmora 11, we have so many special effects and transition and elements and title, audio, so many things. And it may be overwhelming if you want to find them every time you want to use them. So they create a favorite folder here for each tab here, at the audio, at the title, at the transition, and at the effect tab. All of them has a favorite folder. That is a folder where you can put your favorite effect into this folder, and you don't want to find them all the time. Okay, for example, if you have a special effect at the recommended folder, for example, I want to use this mosaic effect all the time in my project or frequently in my project, all I need to do is to click this hot button. So it will be in my favorite folder. Next time, all I need to do is to go to my favorite folder and find this effect. It is very easy, and you can do the same for the transition also. If you want to use a fade transition effect all the time, you can just click this hot button. And for the dissolve and for the flash button, you need to download them first. Just double click to download them, and then click this button to add it to your favorite folder. So next time, if you want to use this effect, all you need to do is to go to your favorite folder and just find them here. It is a lot easier than just find them here at the subfolder. So many things to find here. So okay, and you can do the same for the title and elements also. That is tip number 4 to help you edit video faster in Filmora 11. And the final tips I want to give you is about the export preset. You can create an export preset for your YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram or stuff like that. It is a lot easier and faster to have an export preset, and you don't want to customize the setting anymore. Okay, for example, here at my project, I can click the export button. And here I already create some preset for me. Okay, for example, if I want to export a project to YouTube, and then I can just click this button, and then I can select YouTube or YouTube Short or Facebook or Instagram. It is very easy. But if you want to create a new one, you can click this setting menu, and then you want to change the resolution, frame rate, and bit rate or stuff like that. And then you want to click this button to save as a new preset. I can click here, and then we can say Jackie presets or stuff like that, and then I can save and click OK. And next time, if I want to use this preset, all I need to do is to select this preset at this option. Okay, so we have a Jackie preset here, and being mentioned that you can also delete the preset here with this button. Alright, so that is the final tip to help you edit video faster in Filmora 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.